phone overheating after the update. Don't worry, here is the fix. So let's go with the solution. First of all, we will go to phone settings. Let's tap on phone settings. Tap here. Now find battery. In these cases, first of all, restart the basic idea where you can restart your phone and cool down it. And after that, if you're not getting the solution, then you have to go to phone settings and find battery. And you can see battery is here. Tap on it. Now you can see battery uses by apps. So you have to check which are the apps which are using the battery more and heating your phone. So let's tap on it. Now you can see battery optimize battery usage is here. So let's find the app. So you have to go through these and you have to make sure to tap on the app. So first of all, let me tap on WhatsApp. Let's tap on it. Now you can see you have to check with allow background activity. This is turned off or on. For example, if it is showing as turned on, if it is showing as turned on, you have to make sure to turn this off so that battery usage should be less. Background activity should not happen, right? So you have to make sure to turn this off. Okay, and then just go back. Now also click on force stop. Let's tap on it, and then you can go to the app respectively and you can clear the cache also. So you can do this process for each and every app, right? You have to check with the allow background activity. So you have to make sure all the app which are in your phone should turned off. Allow background activity should be turned off of the following apps you are talking about, or you are having in your phone. I hope you're getting my point. So after checking all these, for each and every app you have in your phone, after checking this whether it is allowed, battery usage is allowed or not, you have to turn this off and then go back. You can tap on more settings option. Tap here. Now you can see high performance mode is turned off, optimization battery usage, sleep standby optimization is on. Your device consumes less power and reduce notification when you are asleep. So you have to turn this on, and you have to turn this on nearby charging stations. Notify when there is a charging station nearby, right? So now let's tap on it. App battery management. Let's tap on it. Now you have to go to, you can see all of the app available in your phone in this app battery management. And for example, the most used apps in your phone, you can go through first. So what I do is, like, WhatsApp is very common for each and everyone. They use most of the time. Facebook, Instagram, now these days chat gpt, Gemini. So these are the apps which are used on regular basis and frequently. So I am tapping on Instagram. Now tap on force stop, right? And you can see allow foreground activity, allow services from this app to be brought to the foreground, right? You have to turn this on. Allow background activity, you have to make sure to turn this off. And allow auto launch, you have to turn this on, right? The best selection for the apps, the best, you have to make sure the app should have proper, what should be allowed and what should not be allowed. You should already have to make sure, so that your now battery consumption should not happen and your phone overheating should happen less. And after following these, you just have to go back. And also these are the fixes where you'll be able to find the solution after following these processes. This is very small and short processes. But again, if you want to go to apps, I can show you app management, find Instagram. Post stop we already have done in the previous process. Now tap on storage uses, clear cache, clear data, delete. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted for this device. So once you are clicking on delete, don't worry. Once you reopen again Instagram, you have to give all the permissions, and there's nothing to worry about that if I click on delete means my data, all data and setting will be deleted. No, this is not going to happen. Simply you have to give all the permissions once you open the Instagram. And the same if you are using banking app or any playing any game, if you are going through the same process and deleting the you are clearing the cache and deleting the data, you have to make sure that if I'm clicking on delete, I have to log in and again give all the permissions. That's it, nothing to worry. So I hope this video helped you out and you find the solution. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.